What's up, YouTube fam? I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I took a little break from YouTube, so I'm basically back. Got a couple projects that I'm working on, but today we are going to be getting our, as you see in the title, our Muffler Delete, and our X pipe put on. So we're gonna see how this work out, see how it sound. Hopefully I'm getting the sound that I want. If not, I'm putting the mufflers back on. But I'm pretty sure from the videos I've seen and other people that I've seen that done this, it's gonna give it more of an aggressive sound. So we're on our way to the muffler shop now to get this put on. And I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we out here at S&S Custom Auto Repair getting the exhaust work done on the car. Car is up on the lift right now, so we're just going to wait and see and get that first sound when they first crank it up with the Muffler Delete and the X pipe. Alright guys, so it's been like 3 days now. I've been working third shift, so it's been hard for me to record this, but we're kind of going to do a cold start so you guys can see the difference. We already got the exhaust done, got the X pipe put on, got the Muffler Delete, got the tips put on, and they also went ahead and ran 2.5-inch pipes all the way through. They stopped right before they got to the catalytic converters, so we got 2.5-inch pipes now. So we're gonna go ahead and do a semi-cold start. The car has been sitting since 7:30 a.m. after I got off of work, so it's now almost 3 in the afternoon. So it's pretty much about as cold as I'll be able to get it for you guys for right now, until, you know, my schedule changes again. So here we go. We're gonna go with the cold start and let you guys see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so you got the cold start and now we're going for a drive. That's with the windows down. You can definitely hear the difference. It's a much more aggressive sound. But yeah man, I like it. I know a lot of people are gonna hate it, but I like it. So that's the Muffler Delete, the X pipe installed, and 2.5-inch pipes ran from the catalytic converter. So I mean, it's only loud when you really stomp on the gas. You drive regular, it's not really loud. You have a drone sound when you're driving at certain speeds, but I mean, that's to be expected. Sorry about the lighting, because it's pretty bad in here, the lighting right now. But yeah man, I mean, we're gonna, as soon as we get past this light, we're gonna step on the gas a little bit, let you guys really hear it with the windows down. So excuse the wind noise if you hear any. So yeah man, it's been a while since I posted, I know, but like I said, I took a break, so it's gonna be a while. It's been a while since I posted last. So here we go. Like I said, you only really hear it like real loud when you stomp on the gas. Other than that, it's not really loud. I'm gonna roll the windows up. And let you guys hear it with the windows up when I step on the gas. So yeah, like I said, man, I like it. I know, like I said, a lot of people are not gonna like it, but I like it. So that's all that matters. This is my car. But yeah, we're gonna go to this car wash this car off, take it for a little drive, and we'll get back to the house and we'll chop it up. So we're back at the house now. So you guys pretty much heard what it sounds like, seen what it looked like. Muffler Delete X pipe, 2.5-inch pipes coming from the catalytic converters all the way back. Yeah, man, I'm pretty happy with the way it sounds, the way it looks. Like I said, I know a lot of people probably not gonna care for it, but everybody has their own opinion. I like it, so that's all that matters. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here. So until next time, guys. These videos, next two videos, actually gonna be out of order because I've already done the one about the ball joints. So that's gonna be coming out after this video. So until next time, guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.